As long as just 30 years back, most people were largely worried about infections. Fast forward to today's world, we are increasingly concerned about the rising trends of heart attacks, diabetes, stroke, cancer, arthritis, asthma, allergies, hormonal disturbances, neurodegenerative conditions, gut related issues, and much more. World health bodies such as World Health Organization, National Institute of Health, and many other such organizations in the recent years have published very important documents highlighting the meteoric rise of non-infectious chronic diseases, also called as NCD, non-communicable diseases, in the recent years. These diseases cause a staggering 41 million deaths per year globally, which accounts to about 74% of all deaths globally. That's alarming. Premier health institutions such as Harvard are also not shying away from acknowledging this threat and the need to create awareness regarding the shifting trends. What most people don't realize is that beneath most of these conditions, there's a silent common thread, and that is inflammation. If you really care about maintaining your health long term, you simply cannot ignore this any longer. Hi, I'm Dr. Aruna. I'm a pediatric rheumatologist by profession. For a number of years, I've been treating patients with inflammation and autoimmunity, and I understand how inflammation can affect various organ systems. I also understand how inflammation can get triggered, what sustains it, what causes flare, and how to calm it down. Inflammation can affect any age group, right from childhood till old age. Information shared here is going to be useful to everyone. In this channel, I try to simplify inflammation so that you can achieve immune balance and restore health. In this video, we're going to focus on the changing health landscape and what has triggered that. Inflammation is the common biological soil from which a number of chronic diseases arise, and it is closely linked to immune dysregulation. So why is immune system today struggling so much than what it did in the past generations? To understand this, we need to step back a little bit and look at how the immune system has evolved through the generations and what it was designed for. Human immune system has evolved through thousands of years in a very different environment. Our ancestors lived in conditions where survival meant quick response to infections, injuries, and physical threats. Our immune system developed to recognize these dangers immediately and produce inflammation to restore balance. In that respect, inflammation was protective. It helped from healing the wounds, eliminating the infections, and restoring normal tissues. But then, the immune system then had evolved with the world that had natural food, high physical activity, regular sunlight exposure, regular sleep patterns, diverse environmental microbes. The immune system was designed for balance within that environment. However, our environment today has changed dramatically, much faster than our biology can evolve. Today's world has got issues with chronic stress, altered sleep patterns, sedentary habits, artificial light, environmental toxins, ultra-processed food. These triggers keep mechanisms alive in the body where inflammation is kept activated all the time. And this results in low-grade chronic inflammation. So the problem here is the mismatch between the modern lifestyle and the immune system. Inflammation can exist without loud symptoms. In fact, for a number of years, non-specific symptoms can dominate, such as tiredness or easy fatigability, low mood, unexplained weight gain, brain fog or memory issues, generalized aches and pains. This makes it even more harder to identify what is actually going on. It is as if the body is whispering before it screams. When inflammation persists for a number of years, tissues age faster, hormones destabilize, metabolism slows, immune tolerance breaks and weakens the body. These form the roots of many chronic diseases. By the time the diseases get diagnosed, inflammation would have gone on for a number of years. Being aware of this and by taking right action, immune imbalance can be calmed down and some of these biological processes can be reversed. This forms the basis of immune intelligence. Follow this channel for more deeper immune understanding. After all, in today's world, health is no longer automatic, it is intentional.